Welcome, welcome. We stand at a fascinating juncture in human civilization, a future where how we live is being reimagined. Welcome to our journey into the cities of the future. The challenges are immense, but innovation is cresting. From verdant metropolises to water-based habitats, we are witnessing a revolution in urban planning. These are not mere architectural flights of fancy. Join us as we traverse continents, uncovering blueprints for tomorrow. Let us begin this extraordinary voyage. Our journey commences in southern China, in Guangxi province, where a truly remarkable vision is taking root. Here, the Liuzhou Forest City, designed by the visionary architect Stefano Borri, is not merely a collection of buildings, but a living, breathing ecosystem. Imagine, if you will, an urban landscape where nearly every surface is draped in a verdant cloak, where the concrete and steel that define our current cities give way to a tapestry of trees, shrubs, and flowering plants. This is not a park within a city, but a city within a forest. The ambition is staggering. Over 40,000 trees and almost 1 million plants from over 100 species are intended to adorn the facades of offices, homes, hotels, hospitals, and schools. This profusion of plant life is not simply for aesthetic appeal, though the beauty is undeniable. It serves a profound ecological purpose. These green sentinels will work tirelessly, absorbing an estimated 10,000 tons of carbon dioxide and 57 tons of fine pollutants each year, while simultaneously producing around 900 tons of life-giving oxygen. Think of the air, cleansed and cooled by this natural filtration system. Venturing southwards across the waters to Malaysia, we encounter another ambitious endeavor that shares a name and a verdant aspiration, yet possesses its own unique character: Forest City. This is a colossal undertaking, a vision of 4 man-made islands rising from the Johor Strait, poised to become a smart green metropolis. The scale itself is breathtaking, a testament to human engineering, and a bold gamble on a future where coastal cities embrace new forms. Developed as a joint venture between a Malaysian and a Chinese company, Forest City is designed to accommodate up to 700,000 people. Its master plan is deeply rooted in principles of sustainability and technological integration. Imagine a city where the streets below are primarily for vehicles, utilities, and logistics, while the ground level and above are dedicated to pedestrian life, lush parks, and recreational spaces. This layered approach aims to create a safer, quieter, and more pedestrian-friendly environment, a stark contrast to the car-dominated landscapes of many contemporary cities. The forest aspect is central to its identity. Extensive green spaces, rooftop gardens, and vertical planting are integral to the design, aiming to create a cooling microclimate and enhance biodiversity. Our exploration now takes us to the arid landscapes of the United Arab Emirates, to a place where the sun's energy is not a challenge to be overcome, but a resource to be harnessed. This is Masdar City, a pioneering project near Abu Dhabi, conceived as one of the world's most sustainable urban developments. Born from a vision of an oil-rich nation looking towards a post-petroleum future, Masdar is a living laboratory for green technologies and sustainable living. From its very inception, Masdar City was designed to minimize its environmental impact. The city's layout itself is a marvel of passive design, drawing inspiration from traditional Arab architecture. Narrow shaded streets are oriented to capture prevailing winds, creating natural ventilation and reducing the need for artificial cooling, a critical consideration in this sun-drenched region. Buildings are constructed with low-carbon cement and 90% recycled aluminum and feature facades designed to reduce solar gain. Energy is, of course, a central theme. A vast 10-megawatt solar photovoltaic plant, one of the largest in the Middle East at the time of its construction, provides a significant portion of the city's electricity. Chapter 4. Xiong'an New Area, China, a blueprint for balanced growth. Xiong'an New Area, southwest of Beijing, is a meticulously planned urban development aimed at decongesting the capital and promoting regional growth. Announced in 2017, it prioritizes innovation, environmental protection, and high-quality living. Xiong'an aims to be a green, intelligent, and livable city. Ecological preservation is key, with efforts to protect Baiyangdian Lake. Chapter 5. Oceanix Floating City Concept, Riding the Waves of Change. Our journey now takes us to the very surface of the ocean, to explore a concept that could redefine our relationship with the rising seas, the Oceanix Floating City. As coastal communities around the world face the escalating threat of sea level rise and extreme weather events, the idea of building resilient, sustainable habitats on water is gaining serious traction. The Oceanix concept, developed in collaboration with the UN Habitat Program, offers a compelling vision of how humanity might adapt. Imagine modular platforms, hexagonal in shape, anchored to the seabed yet able to rise with the tides. These platforms, constructed from sustainable materials, would form interconnected villages, capable of supporting communities of thousands. Each neighborhood or village would be designed for self-sufficiency, producing its own food, energy, and fresh water, and managing its waste in a closed-loop system. This is not just about survival, it's about creating thriving, regenerative ecosystems on the ocean. Food production would be integrated directly into the city's fabric. Ocean farming, using techniques like aquaponics and vertical farms, could provide fresh produce and seafood. Chapter 6. New Clark City, Philippines. A resilient metropolis rising. We now travel to the Philippines, an archipelago nation acutely vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including typhoons, floods, and earthquakes. Here, a new urban center is being developed with resilience at its very core, New Clark City. Located in a less disaster-prone area north of Manila, this ambitious project is envisioned as a smart, green, and disaster-resilient alternative to the congested and vulnerable capital. Spanning over 9,000 hectares, New Clark City is being built on high ground, away from fault lines and floodplains, a deliberate choice to safeguard its future inhabitants and infrastructure. The master plan incorporates extensive green spaces, which not only enhance the quality of life, but also play a crucial role in stormwater management and reducing the urban heat island effect. Parks, river corridors, and urban forests are integral to the city's design, creating a network of natural resilience. The city is being developed with a smart city framework, integrating technology to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and public services. This includes intelligent transportation systems to manage traffic flow, energy-efficient buildings equipped with smart controls, and advanced disaster monitoring and response systems. Our journey takes us back to China, to the tech metropolis of Shenzhen, a city synonymous with innovation and rapid growth. Here, Tencent, one of the world's largest technology companies, is developing Net City, a sprawling new urban district that is essentially a city within a city, designed from the ground up to reflect the needs and aspirations of a digital-first future. This is a vision of an urban campus on an unprecedented scale. Net City, roughly the size of Monaco, is being built on reclaimed land in Shenzhen's Dalian port area. It is designed to be a car-free, pedestrian-centric environment, a significant departure from the vehicle-dominated landscapes of many modern cities. The master plan prioritizes green spaces, public transport, and interconnected pathways, aiming to create a vibrant and collaborative atmosphere for Tencent's employees and the wider community. The architectural vision is one of human-scaled buildings, interspersed with parks, waterfront areas, and cultural amenities. Rather than towering skyscrapers that isolate, the design encourages interaction and movement. Buildings will be of varying heights, creating a diverse and interesting skyline, with an emphasis on natural light and ventilation. We now venture into the heart of Central Asia, to Kazakhstan, and specifically to its capital city, formerly Astana, now Nur-Sultan. Its rapid futuristic transformation and ongoing ambitions position it as a remarkable gateway city on the vast Eurasian steppe. The city's development features avant-garde architecture by renowned international architects. Structures like the Khan Shatter Entertainment Center and Baitarek Tower define its unique skyline. This architectural ambition aims to create a visually stunning urban landscape, attracting investment and tourism. NEOM in northwest Saudi Arabia is a $500 billion mega-project, a hub for trade, technology, and sustainable living, powered by 100% renewable energy. NEOM spans 26,500 square kilometers along the Red Sea. It includes the Line, a 170-kilometer linear city with no cars and zero carbon emissions. Humanity must adapt rapidly to unprecedented change. Climate change, population growth, and technological advancement demand new urban solutions. These pioneering projects respond to this urgent imperative. Traditional urban models are unsustainable. New cities integrate nature, renewable energy, and technology. This shift requires a holistic approach to sustainability and resilience. Our journey through these nascent cities of tomorrow reveals a landscape rich with promise and ingenuity. By 2050, these diverse urban experiments, from the verdant embrace of forest cities to the bold ambition of desert metropolises and floating havens, could indeed stand as powerful models of sustainability, resilience, and groundbreaking innovation. They are far more than mere collections of futuristic buildings and advanced infrastructure. They represent a fundamental rethinking of our relationship with our environment and with each other. These projects are not just places to live, they're blueprints for the future of humanity, tangible expressions of our capacity to adapt and thrive in the face of profound global shifts. Each city, with its unique approach to tackling challenges like climate change, resource management, and population density, offers invaluable lessons. They showcase a future where technology serves human well-being and ecological balance, where communities are designed for connection, and where nature is not an external element, but an integral part of urban life. The path to realizing these visions will undoubtedly be complex, filled with challenges yet to be surmounted. But the seeds have been sown. As these cities grow and evolve, they will inspire countless others, fostering a global movement towards a more sustainable and hopeful urban future. The world of 2050 may well be shaped by the courage and foresight embedded in these remarkable endeavors, heralding a new era where our cities become true partners in the stewardship of our precious planet. Our journey through these nascent cities of tomorrow reveals a landscape rich with promise and ingenuity. By 2050, these diverse urban experiments, from forest cities to desert metropolises and floating havens, could stand as models of sustainability and innovation. They are more than futuristic buildings. They represent a rethinking of our relationship with our environment and each other. These projects are blueprints for humanity's future, tangible expressions of our capacity to adapt and thrive. Each city, with its unique approach to challenges like climate change, offers invaluable lessons. They showcase a future where technology serves well-being and ecological balance, where communities are designed for connection, and where nature is integral to urban life. The path to these visions will be complex, filled with challenges yet to be surmounted, but the seeds have been sown. As these cities grow, they will inspire countless others, fostering a global movement towards a sustainable urban future. The world of 2050 may be shaped by the courage and foresight in these endeavors, heralding a new era where our cities become true partners in the stewardship of our planet.